Meaning of Dunkin Donuts.
Dunkin Donuts.
Dunkin Donuts.
Dunkin Donuts.
Dunkin Donuts. Dunkin Donuts is a chain of coffee and donut shops that was founded in 1950 in the United States. The name Dunkin refers to its popular item of coffee that people dunk their donuts into. Over time, the chain expanded to offer a variety of coffee flavors and food items beyond donuts, but the name remained the same. In recent years, the company has rebranded itself as simply Dunkin to reflect its focus on coffee, but it remains a popular destination for those looking for a sweet treat and a cup of joe.